Hi and welcome to another Swift Learn tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how to get your IP address. Your IP address are used to uniquely identify and locate devices on the network, just like how each house on the street has a unique street address. So let's give it a go. Press the start key to the bottom, type in CMD for command, run it as an administrator, which is really important, left click, press yes, and we can type in ipconfig, and this will give us our IP address for our computer. And we can see down here our wireless connection for this laptop is here, and this is the IP address 192.168.1203, and that's how we get our IP address for our computer.